So this is the 4-knot steel wool, and just gently rub it, not a lot of pressure, but you can kind of tell it's, you're not going to see anything, but it's the whole thing is getting smoother, and some of the imperfections are coming out. You don't even see anything on here, but it is working. And if you have, so I have nitrile gloves, but if you have just your bare hands, you can kind of feel it. I can feel the smoothness of it before and after. Even some of the water spots, I don't know if the camera's gonna catch the water spots right there. So as you work it, even the water spots are going away. You don't want to get it on the paint, but you can work it on the glass, and you can see kind of like how the water spots are going away. And see this this was a little bug that was stuck on there. It just came loose. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, see that? It's loose, and if I see that, it just came off. So anything that's stuck is gonna come off, and it's gonna leave a smooth surface. And then we're gonna wash it, then we're gonna clay it, and then we're gonna polish it, and we are going to put the seal, the ceramic coating on the windscreen and all the windows as well. So just some elbow grease here, not a lot of pressure, just back and forth. Just wanted to show you how it's done, and I'm gonna get to work.